Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the sticker to soften the adhesive. This is the only reliable way to prevent paint lift. Use a heat gun on low or a hairdryer close-up for 30-60 seconds, moving constantly to avoid overheating one spot. Once the adhesive feels warm and pliable, begin lifting an edge with a plastic scraper or fingernail. Make sure to keep the surface clean and dry so you can see progress and avoid reapplying heat over contaminated areas. You peel next, slowly and deliberately, keeping the blade of the angle low so you roll the sticker off rather than yank it. Once done with one section, reheat any stubborn areas for 10-20 seconds and continue peeling. This prevents glue tearing and reduces residue. Make sure to alternate heating and peeling until the whole sticker is off. If residue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover, let it sit, and then wipe with a microfiber cloth to protect. You finish by cleaning the area thoroughly so no solvent traces remain. Wash with soap and water and dry with a clean microfiber. Once done, inspect the paint under good light. If you see dull spots, a light polish or a clay bar followed by wax will restore gloss. If paint lifts or you notice clear coat damage, stop immediately and consult a professional for repair. This key troubleshooting tip prevents worsening damage and preserves your vehicle's finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.